Interact with Computer 6. Chapter 1. More about Windows XP. Changing the wallpaper. Wallpaper is the background that displays on your desktop. You can set a wallpaper of your choice by selecting from a variety of wallpapers already stored in your computer. You can also set any saved picture file as wallpaper, or you can download attractive wallpapers available on many websites on the internet. Given below are the steps to change the wallpaper of a computer. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop of the computer and click on Properties. Step 2. Click the Desktop tab. Step 3. Select the wallpaper you want from the list that appears in the background box. Step 4. Select how you want your image to appear on the screen from Position drop-down box. Choose from the following. Step 5. Click on the Apply button. Changing the screensaver. A screensaver is a moving, rotating or changing image that is displayed when a monitor is left idle for a set period of time. You can configure the Windows desktop to display the screensaver by following the steps given below. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on the Windows desktop. A context menu will appear. Step 2. Choose Properties. The Display Properties dialog box will appear. Step 3. Click the Screensaver tab. Step 4. The Screensaver field provides a list of available screensavers. Select the screensaver you want from the list. Step 5. Click Preview to preview your screensaver. Step 6. Press Escape key to return to the Display Properties dialog box. Step 7. In the Wait field, set the number of minutes of inactivity before the screensaver starts. Step 8. Click OK. Changing the screen appearance. Steps to select the screen appearance. Step 1. Click with the right mouse button somewhere that has no icons on the desktop and select the option Properties from the shortcut menu that is displayed. Step 2. The Display Properties window will appear, where you can change the configuration parameters. Step 3. Select the tab labeled Appearance on the Display Properties window. Step 4. On the Windows and Buttons list, select which style you want. Step 5. Then, select one of the schemes offered to you from the Color Scheme list. Step 6. In the box Font Size, choose the size of lettering that you like. Step 7. Once all changes are done, click OK. Changing the Windows themes. A theme is nothing more than a way to group the different characteristics that affect the appearance of Windows XP by giving it a name. This way, we can change the theme with a single click. Steps to select the Windows themes. Step 1. select the tab labeled Themes on the Display Properties window. Step 2. From the theme list, choose the theme you prefer. On the bottom part, you can see how it will look. Step 3. If you wish to save the changes, select the theme and click Save As. Then name it and click OK. Adding a desktop item to the Start menu. To add an item on the desktop to the Start or to a Program menu, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click and drag the item on top of the Start button. Step 2. Release the mouse button when the Start menu appears. Step 3. The item will appear on the Start menu. Step 4. If you would prefer to have the item on a Program menu or sub-menu of the Start menu, drag the item from the Start menu to the Program menu or sub-menu. Removing an item from the Start menu. To remove an item from the Start menu or from a Program menu, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the Start button. The Start menu will appear. Step 2. Highlight Settings. A sub-menu will appear. Step 3. Click Taskbar and Start menu. A dialog box will appear. Step 4. Click the Start menu tab. Step 5. Click Customize button. Step 6. Click the Remove button. Step 7. Find and click the item you want to remove. Step 8. Click the Remove button. You will be prompted. Step 9. Click Yes. Step 10. Click Close. Step 11. Click OK. Step 12. Click OK again. Opening the most recently used document list. As you work, Windows XP tracks the last 15 files you used. It lists these files on the most recently used document list. Step 1. Click the Start button. Step 2. Highlight My Recent Documents. The most recently used documents will display. To open a file listed on the most recent documents list, click the file name. Changing the date and or time. To change the date and or time, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the Start button. The Start menu will appear. Step 2. Highlight Settings. A sub-menu will appear. Step 3. Click Control Panel. The Control Panel will open. Step 4. Click Date or Time. The Date-Time Properties dialog box will appear. Step 5. In the date frame, select the month and year. Step 6. In the month field, click to open the drop-down menu and select the current month. Step 7. Type the year in the year field or use the arrows next to the field to move forward or backward until you get to the current year. Step 8. The time field is divided into 4 segments: hour, minutes, seconds, and AM and PM to make an adjustment. Step 9. Click on the segment and either type in the correct information or use the arrow keys on the right side to select the correct hour, minute, second or AM or PM. Steps to change the time zone. Step 1. Click the Time Zone tab. Step 2. Choose the correct time zone from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click the Apply button. Step 4. Click OK. How to use a pen drive with Windows. Sometimes referred to as a jump drive, the pen drive is a portable USB flash memory device that can be used to quickly transfer audio, video and data files from the hard drive of one computer to another. Flash drives are meant as a way to get files to and from multiple computers. Pen drive is a small device that fits into the pocket. It gets the name pen drive from the fact that many of them resemble a small pen in size and shape. It has a large amount of memory capacity as compared to both the older floppy disks, CDs and DVDs. It is often used to copy data and reload the files on a different hard drive. Using a pen drive with computer. Utilizing a pen drive is a simple task. One end of the drive is equipped with a USB connector at one end. The connector is inserted into the USB port on a computer or laptop and activated. Simply plug it into the USB port of your PC and watch the system automatically detect the new device. Take a look at your system drives. A new drive has been created. The operating system can now access your USB pen drive just like any ordinary hard disk drive. Once the pen drive is in place, it is possible to drop and drag files into the memory of the drive or forward the files to the drive. Copy across all the files you want to the new drive. Wait for the read-write LED on the USB pen drive to stop flashing, then disconnect it.